Hi, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. It's Cheryl here today. I'm back here with this paper mache pumpkin, and I'm getting ready to do the next step. So if you like DIYs, decorating and hauls and gardening, this is the place to be. So I will be right back to show you what I do on this next step. Okay, I'm back, and you can see the pumpkin here. At least there he is. And what I'm going to do next is put on his skin. And I just took some brown paper towels and cut off the edges, well, tore off the edges. And in this bowl I just have some that I've used for the paper mache. It's just some white glue and water. Getting ready to spill that. And so I'm going to put on my gloves and start putting on some of the skin. See how that goes. I already cut the bottom out, and I took all the insides out. So he's totally empty now. We're going to see how this step goes. And I'm a few steps closer to actually painting him, which I'd be so happy, because he is a mofo. And if y'all got a name for him, let me know in the comments below. Oh, I guess I should have stirred this up some, but this absorbs a lot of water quickly. I'm just going to slap it on there, and this will, I'm not going to worry if it's too thick in some spots, because this will help create like the wrinkles and the veins and stuff like that. Help out when I get ready to finally paint him. So I'm just dipping this paper in the bowl. Getting it nice and wet. And I could have cut these sheets a little smaller, but I didn't. So we hope everybody's doing okay today. You're doing all right. Ooh, that was a long piece in the back. So you can see where I build them up with the homemade paper clay, which came out kind of bumpy, but that's all right because all that will be covered up. It just kind of helped me build up. And you see I had built up the stem. Let me turn him around so y'all can see what I'm doing on the back side. And I tell you, he will probably be my first and my last. I don't know, I can't say that. I might one day make another one now that I know what's all involved. It's not hard. I know I said it was easy. It's not hard. It's just that it takes so long. So I'm just going to slap this skin on here. And I can't wait, because I like to paint on things, so I can't wait till it's the time to paint them. And I don't know when that will be. Well, it's got to be before Halloween so I can show y'all. But with all this glue going back on them, it's going to take a while for him to dry. And so then once he dries, I got to paint the inside. And that won't take long to dry on the inside. But you see how it's creating the wrinkles on them? I hope I got enough of this paper here torn up, because that was a watching TV tearing paper project. And this piece here is just too big, but I'm gonna slap it on there anyway. Let's see, we go over this way. Okay, that's too much. I'm going to move the paper out the way, because then I'm going to get the glue on there and I won't be able to get my papers off. So I am going to keep putting the skin on them, and I'll be back to let you see what it looks like at the end. But before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and put a piece in the front so you can see what I do there. So when I put this on here, I'm just going to stick it up and around the teeth. And it's okay if I got some scragglers. So that'll be easy to get off later, or I might give it a little character. Have raggedy teethuses. Alright. Well, for some reason they don't want to catch underneath. But that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to keep putting this on here, and then I'll be back to show you what the whole thing looks like. Okay, I am back, and I got all his skin on the best that I could. And we're going to have to wait for him to dry, and then I can paint the inside and start painting the base coat on the outside, and then I can start painting him the way I want. And anything that doesn't have a piece of skin covering it, it'll be all right, because the paint will cover that up. And I think the skin gives him more texture, makes him look more realistic. And I hope you enjoy this video, and stay tuned for the next one when we get to start the painting process. I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.